plant pollinator data, which is a very important topic, not only for biodiversity and ecosystems, but also for food production and agriculture. And it's a really hard data to obtain. And it's very important to have that standardized and mobilize it to the most users possible. Our community is within the community of practice of agriculture within RDA and also in the TEDWIC group.
TEDWIC, that's the Biodiversity Information Standards organization, and within TEDWIC there is an interest group working around species interactions, which plant pollinator data is just one specific case in species interaction data. So plant pollinator data is really crucial, for example, in agriculture, where the yield of crops is highly influenced by pollination. So basically, there are a lot of stakeholders involved in plant pollination data.
And we are making a great effort to really bring a global community. So we have partners for all over the world, and we want to engage more partners so we can really represent the best way possible this data and make the most value of it.
For me, it's my first in-person RDA meeting, and for me it's really important to start talking to people what it means to have fair data, how to be interoperable with other disciplines, so not only within our own biodiversity community, but with the whole community of data. So in that case, I really enjoyed being here at RDA.
Yeah, I would add to that the real challenging problems in today's world are really interdisciplinary. So we need to be able to communicate the complexities of the interactions data. We are talking about different taxonomic entities and also about how they interact in time and place. And we also need to be able to understand and integrate data from other disciplines. So this is very important so we can interact with other disciplines and make sense of all of it together to really answer important questions.
I think being at the workshop really does put it all a bit in perspective, and we could make a case in how our data is maybe differing, but also similar to other work packages within the WorldFAIR project, so that we can actually look for more collaboration between each other and also start disseminating our specificities around our data.
The cross-disciplinary interoperability framework is really challenging work, and it's not going to be completed in only a couple of years. There are many specificities of the disciplines that need to be taken in account, and on the other hand, it needs to be generalistic enough to be feasible. So I really believe this will continue for a long time and bring important results.